In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a signed document via email. By the end, you'll confidently send a finalized professional PDF straight from your device using Adobe Fill and Sign. First, open Adobe Fill and Sign and load the document you've already completed. Make sure the correct file is selected. Look for it under Recents or browse your device storage if needed. Take a moment to review the document on screen. Check that your signature and any initials or dates are visible where you expect them, and that all pages look complete. It's always worth a quick scan before sharing, so you don't have to resend later. Next, tap the Share icon. You'll usually find it at the top right of the screen. It may look like a box with an arrow or a three dots menu that reveals the Share option. If you don't see it immediately, gently scroll or tap once to bring up the toolbar. This action prepares your document for sending and opens the sharing menu. Now choose the email option. Depending on your device, this might be labeled Email or Share a Copy, and then you'll pick your default mail app from the list. Selecting Email ensures the document is attached to a new draft message, saving you from downloading and attaching it manually. If you use a specific email app, just select that one here. When prompted for a file format, choose PDF. PDF is recommended because it preserves your formatting, keeps your signature exactly where you placed it, and is universally easy to open on most devices. If there's an option to include comments or flatten the file, leaving it as a standard PDF is typically best for recipients who just need to review or archive the signed version. Also, take note of the file name shown. Clear names help your recipient identify the document quickly. Finally, prepare and send the email. In the To field, carefully enter the recipient's email address and double-check for typos. You can add a brief subject like "Signed document attached" and include a short message for context if you want, though it's optional. Confirm that the correct account is selected if you have multiple email profiles on your device. Once everything looks good, tap Send. If you'd like a record, you can add your own address in the CC field so you receive a copy as confirmation. That's it. You've opened your completed file, used Share, selected email, chose PDF, and sent it. With these steps, your signed document reaches the right person quickly, clearly, and professionally.